Before the video starts, we'd like to thank Joey Burbach's music for my video cover. And items I share during the video will have the link under the description.
It's kind of funny because sometimes like our girls would do shopping, we shop for literally the same style.
First, this is the vintage style pants.
It's white leg. Me? Oh. What am I doing? So, forget about me.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Long time. How are you guys doing? So today is the first week of ZARA sale of this year. I should say it's the first weekend, of ZARA sale this year. They just started on Wednesday 24th online, and then Thursday 25th in store. And then today I went to the in-store to grab some beautiful clothes and I want to share with you because I believe everyone deserves beautiful things. Alright, let's get started. This is the blazer that I got. It's one of the most popular blazer sets. They also have black in color, but black is completely sold out. This white one is also sold out online as well, but they have it in store. I have the small size. I tried the extra small in store. I just feel a little tight like underarm over there, so I picked the small size because usually I will wear something inside. I don't want to be too tight. And this is super cute like this. It could be like casual wear, it could be like formal. If you pair it with jeans, it could be like business casual. They also have the shorts. I'm going to try it out. So this is the shorts. It's coming with the blazer sets. So beside these two pieces, I also bought two more. One is the pants and the other one is the midi skirts. Okay, so this is another items that I bought. It's a vintage style pants. To be honest, I don't feel it could be able to fit during Seattle's winter time because the material is really thin. I definitely think it's actually designed for spring or summer, but not winter for sure. Even though it's a long pants, but yeah. I love the white leg, love this Bowie balloon style-ish. It's pretty cozy. Love it. And I also ordered a navy blue shirt or blue shirt. It can actually pair like style it up with it. So here's the last items that I bought today. Is this midi skirt. To be honest, I have literally the same style of pants. After I tied this Bowie up, and I figured I have like literally the same style, but that one is pants, but this is the midi skirts. I just kind of like, it's kind of funny because sometimes like our girls would do shopping, we shop for literally the same style, maybe just only because that style that we wear is suitable for us, like the old money style or Gen Z style, you know. But it's still like, if you are asking your man, they might have the answer is like why you're buying the same thing. But this is a midi skirt is really comfortable and the material is thick, so I believe I can wear it during the winter time as well. And also the length is till, because it's midi, so it's till here, which is great because I am really like, I don't like cold weather to be honest. Like I don't like cold weather, so I would wear a lot of clothes during winter time, or like a really like a big jacket or puffy jacket to keep myself warm. And I think this skirt might actually helps me during the winter time. It might save my life. I only bought 4 items today in store, but I did place some online orders. They're shipping to me, and once I receive it, I might have another unboxing videos coming up. Just click the subscribe button and you will know the next time when I upload the new videos. Alright, so this is the end of today. Then I will see you guys next time. Bye!